Okay, so this is the beginning of a series of videos on spine mechanics. First of all, you should reacquaint yourself with the structure of your vertebral column, which includes the vertebra stacked on one another and the intervertebral disc, which is between the vertebral bodies. There's also a series of ligaments holding this whole structure together, your anterior and posterior longitudinal ligaments, your supraspinous ligament, which connects your spinous processes all the way down, your interspinous ligament, and then you have the ligamentum flavum as well. If we look at the purpose or the function of the spine, it is to support it supports the trunk because it's a site of large muscles attached throughout the vertebral column. It provides flexibility of movement. If we had a solid spine, our mobility of our trunk would be greatly diminished. And it protects the spinal cord. So that brings us to the concept of injury. To avoid injury, it simply becomes a factor of looking at the loading on a tissue and determining if that loading on a tissue is greater than the tolerance or strength. Tolerance is another word for strength. And so when we're looking at the spine, we need to review the loads that can be applied to the spine and then ways that we can measure the strength of the spine. So we're going to review in these videos how to daily task and exercise load the structure of the lumbar spine. And is this loading greater than the tolerance of the strength of the lumbar tissues?